This is our complete mini system. As you see it here, it's in store mode, so when coming into port it's not catching on any of the pontoons or the harbour wall. It locks in this position with a turnbuckle on the outside here. It's mounted on a single stem, so when you come to fish you can then just slacken that one and it then literally turns into position, spring bolt, there, locked in position. This system carries a standard 15 hooks, and that's how it's rigged at the moment. It's rigged through our new letterbox overhead ultra safe outrigger, and it's in 3 pieces for easy transportation and storage. Other features, we have heavier duty brackets to hold the gurdy wheel, which can be either right hand or left hand. When changing over to left hand mode, the mast goes into the other keeper on the other side. If I put it back into store mode, I would be able to show you how the bracket works. As you can see, we've now put a fillet behind the actual keepers for protection of the gunnel and gives it really firm grip. We have the turntable. If I turn it right around, you'll be able to see where it turns on a center spline there. So by slacking that one, we can spin it all the way around, lift the spring bolt into place, and then tighten on this side. One other feature, when bringing the line in between finding fish, the weights can be dropped into this little holder, stops it running around on the boat or clattering about inside the box. It makes it much safer as well, because obviously with the hooks inboard as well. Standard rollers, adjustable. The top one adjusts up and down according to the size of fish we're catching, and the guide roller at the back, which makes sure the hooks are well free of any of the mechanism at the back. I'd now like to show you our mini system, which is rigged up from multi-hooks. What we have here set up, the wheel has been brought round to face us. We've got the shortened version of the outrigger. As you can see, it's only this high. I'm under 6 feet tall. The line goes on the same side of the boat through our vertical letterbox system with the pulley behind on a dogleg arm. By having the bases 6 feet apart, you can get 20 hooks to there and then another 10 hooks down from there. So this, in a relatively small area, will take 30 hooks. The further you move the outrigger away from the gurdy wheel, the more hooks you'll get on board. This configuration can also be put across the boat, whereby this outrigger would be mounted over here and the same number of hooks would apply. As we said earlier, we can rig this across the boat if you don't want to go down the same side as we had before, and you can still get 30 hooks on because of the extra mast. And as you see, it runs in the same configuration and it can still be mounted left or right.